Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we've got something truly special for you. The Emeril Lagasse 26QT Extra Large Air Fryer, a game-changer in the world of kitchen appliances. Now, before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our expert reviews. So, let's get started. This air fryer is more than just your ordinary kitchen gadget. It's a versatile multi-cooker that can elevate practically any meal. From air frying quick after-school snacks to roasting for large gatherings, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer has you covered. With 24 cooking presets, this appliance offers a wide variety of cooking methods. You can choose from settings like ribs, defrost, bake, toast, chicken, pizza, pastry, slow cook, roast, reheat, and keep warm. It's like having a professional chef in your kitchen. What truly sets this air fryer apart is its 360 superheated air circulation, thanks to its dual-speed fan. This feature ensures homemade cooking with golden fried crisping at its finest. And just look at it. The stainless steel exterior not only adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen but also makes it easy to clean. Plus, those elegant French doors open with a single pull, and the interior light allows you to monitor your food without interrupting the cooking process. With an extra large 26-quart capacity, it can serve 4 to 6 people comfortably. You can even rotisserie a 6-pound chicken or bake a 12-inch pizza, perfect for family gatherings or dinner parties. Now, let's talk about what matters, the customer ratings. With an impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars, this air fryer has won over 4,126 satisfied customers. They rave about its flavor, versatility, temperature control, and ease of cleaning. But there's one important thing to note. This product is designed for use in the US. So if you're watching us from abroad, make sure to check compatibility with your outlets and voltage. You might need an adapter or converter. And the best part? Right now, you can snag this incredible Emeril Lagasse 26QT Extra Large Air Fryer at a 24% discount, priced at just $189.99, down from the original $249.95. But wait, there's more good news. It's available for delivery, and you can have it shipped right to your doorstep. So, no need to wait, get yours today. That's a wrap for our review of the Emeril Lagasse 26QT Extra Large Air Fryer. If you're looking for an all-in-one kitchen appliance that can do it all, this is the one to consider. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and how to make your purchase. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time, happy cooking!